Today's video is in collab with the House of Bridget. We'll be decorating the fireplace for Christmas. If that's something you love to see, please continue to watch.
Hey guys, it's me, Bridget, and my channel is the House of Bridget. I just want to take this time to wish everyone a safe and blessed holiday season. And I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Kim for teaming up with me this year on our Christmas Fireplace Mantel videos. Guys, I know you're going to absolutely love Kim's creation and what she comes up with. I can't even wait. It's going to absolutely be fabulous. And when you're finished watching her video, swing on over to my channel, The House of Bridget, and see my take on the Christmas Fireplace Mantel. I hope you enjoy it too, and I hope to see you in another video. Take care and be safe.
Welcome back to Decorating and Shopping Type of Day. My name is Kim. On today, I will be decorating my fireplace, and this the things that I will be putting on it. Let's do a little shop haul. This picture right here came from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. These little bottle trees came from Hobby Lobby. We have these styles bottle trees. They came from Hobby Lobby this year. I got these trees last year. They had them on clearance. I have a larger one and a shorter one over here. This mailbox, it came from Michael's this year. I had my husband put a stand on it to give me some height. This stocking holder, it came from Kirkland. I got it about 2 years ago on clearance. I got these stockings right here. They came from Target on clearance last year. I like clearance, y'all. This garland right here, I got it 2 years ago at Michael's. It was like 90% off. I think I paid like $8 for this lint garland. So I already pre-hung it because I had trouble trying to get it up there. And then I just took one of them twinkle battery operated light and put it in between each branch. Right here I'm showing you where my husband installed a dimmer switch and the can lighting that we had put in a bookshelf in a previous video. You can go back and look at it. Right here was a glare at the bottom of the camera when I realized it was coming from a ceiling fan, but I had to cut it back on because it's too dark in the living room. And right here I'm going to insert some different risers so I can have a height as I decorate the fireplace. And I also use some books I had got from Goodwill. You'll see them. And then the other little riser came from Hobby Lobby. But you can use anything to give different heights because your garland was covered up.
up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you.